My name is Elisabeth Galperin. I'm the founder and owner of Turnleaf Organizing, and I'm a productivity coach. I work with business owners and leaders who are looking to maximize their time, that want to accomplish their work and still have time to pursue their passions outside of work. Some of my best clients are professionals who are already performing at a pretty well-organized manner. So it's someone who has a growth mindset, who knows that there's always room for improvement.
My name's Marc Sebens. I do commercial real estate. A lot of my work is unstructured. There's, a lot of it depends on who calls that day. My meetings might be all over the board, some in the office, some out of the office. And it's been really helpful with Elisabeth. Just some time planning, some working on best practices, what to spend my time on, what's most important, even though it might not be the loudest alarm ringing right at that moment, and really helping to stay on track and on topic with what the most important things are to spend the time on. Elisabeth did a really good job at helping me identify the things that I needed to pay more attention to. And sometimes I would joke and feel like she was being my therapist too, and I was, talking about things that I felt like I wasn't good at and really needed to spend more energy on. Focus on not letting myself get distracted by, the phone ringing or the squeaky wheel, and really focusing on the big stuff that absolutely needed to get done, making sure that got done first. And scheduling time to get that done. Setting aside just the 2 or 3 biggest things to do each day, and then putting time for those on my calendar like I would a meeting with another person, and making that happen instead of just feeling like I always needed to get to it, and then it would never happen because I was getting distracted by the phone, other things that became a fire to put out instead of the stuff the project that might take 2 hours to do, but that really needed my focus for that 2 hours.